Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. Hope you can hear me. I'm at the waterfall, so it's pretty loud. I'm at the waterfall in New Hazelton. It's just beautiful here. I thought I'd do a short video because the waterfall, imagining it or looking at one, can help us help us imagine whatever emotion we're having a tough time can be released into the waterfall and flow down into the creek and keep going and be out of our system. So I just thought I'd do a short video and say hello. Hello. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.